In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Figma design into a website in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic skill for designers and developers alike, as it bridges the gap between your creative ideas and a functional website. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to go to Figma. It's that collaborative interface design tool you likely know and love. If you aren't already logged in, click on the Login button. It's right there on the homepage and takes just a moment to enter your details. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Figma home, where all your recent projects and files are conveniently displayed. Next up, you should select the file you wish to convert into a website. Simply click on the file from your list of projects. This action will open your file of interest, bringing the full design into view, just as you left it during your last session. Within the Figma interface, look for the option titled Action. Clicking this will allow you access to various operations you can perform on your design file. As you explore the options, you'll come across a search bar. Here, you need to type in Figma to website. This will lead you to a specific tool designed to help translate your Figma design into a website layout swiftly and efficiently. When you see the option Figma to.website pop up in your search results, give it a click. This handy tool does exactly what its name suggests. It transforms your static designs into interactive web pages. It's a magical moment when years of interface design expertise combine with sophisticated algorithms to bring your creation that one step closer to reality. The final step is straightforward but crucial. You'll need to click on Run. This final action kicks off the conversion process, setting all the gears into motion. Within moments, you'll see the framework of your website emerging from mere design files. This is where your design begins to live and breathe as a web entity. And there you have it, your Figma design turned into a functional website in under 5 minutes. Remember, while these steps take you through the basic transformation process, there are many additional tweaks and customizations you can make to refine your website's functionality and presentation. You may want to check out other tools and plugins that complement this process, bringing even more functionality to your creation. With a little practice, you'll be able to experiment and enhance these basic steps, creating intricate and interactive digital experiences. Thanks for joining today, and happy designing.